Getting dizzy just watching your Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra do endless pirouettes? Or maybe it's constantly complaining about a wheel error and refusing to explore? Yep, we hear you. This frustrating Roborock wheel error is a known quirk that can pop up for S7 MaxV Ultra owners, often stopping your cleaning routine dead in its tracks. So, what gives? Often it's a specific faulty right wheel causing the navigation chaos. But sometimes a clogged or faulty Roborock filter adds to the problem, making the vacuum work harder and potentially contributing to uneven movement or strain. Ignoring it means patchy cleaning at best. At worst, your Roborock might constantly get stuck, potentially straining the motors or bumping into furniture more than usual. Not exactly the ultra clean you paid for. But don't worry, this doesn't mean your advanced cleaning buddy is down for the count. At RoboCare, we specialize in Roborock repair and know exactly how to tackle this wheel woe. We employ specific diagnostic techniques to accurately assess the wheel motors, sensors, and even the impact of filter conditions on overall performance, ensuring we pinpoint the root cause efficiently. Our process is meticulous. We thoroughly inspect the right wheel assembly and the filter system, identify the exact faulty component, and perform expert Roborock repair using genuine replacement parts. But identifying the problem and having the solution is one thing. Ready to see this expertise in action? Stick around as we show you the impressive results. Check this out. After RoboCare's service, this S7 MaxV Ultra is gliding effortlessly. Wheels running perfectly, navigating like a pro. Problem completely solved. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
If you're out there struggling with a Roborock wheel error, or any problem with your Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra, or any robot vacuum, I honestly can't recommend RoboCare enough. They were professional, communicative, convenient with the courier service, and most importantly, they fixed the problem properly.
Got Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra issues or problems with any robot vacuum? Contact RoboCare today. Visit our service center or use our convenient nationwide courier service.